For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. In 180 minutes of football, first leg, second leg, Cabo Scope won 1-0 go first leg. Kaizer Chiefs at FNB, yabuya yajikisa izitya yawina nayo 1-0, 180 minutes of football. But with penalties, Kaizer Chiefs won by 5-4. Ndonaka Fabian, Aiden, Betty Gqebele, celebrate Amakosi. Now they are through to the second preliminary round, CAF Confederations Cup. Junior, madukubulisa mfowethu kunjani?
Isheni mabrada kunjani?
I'm okay, my brother.
Ngibulise wena, ngibulise Justice. Ngibulise Lindo Pep. Nkululeko mabrada. Abachita abanye ngithi manje uyazi kune absentees. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football.
Yeah.
Well done to Kaizer Chiefs mfethu. Not the easy game mfethu. Yeah, not the easy game, but well done for them for winning this game. First half, I think Chiefs, they deserve to score about 3 goals for me. 3 or 4 goals. First half, I'm talking about first half. These guys coming to the... Well done to Coach Kala, one defensive midfield in Coach Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure who can I appoint in credit Kulama Coach too, because I'm not too sure who's making subs, who's making the starting 11 at Chiefs. Maybe they are co-coaches. Well done to defensive midfield. Though I believe Gule one defensive midfield, it's a wrong choice. For me, I think if I have to choose between and I'm going to choose Ayena. Chiefs bebathlanga trade the back advantage ile ukuthi bafuna uku-overload iside la right. Bobona Solomon Louis bekangena phakathi. 80 number le ngikhuluma ngaseboxini. Always ulepo on the line. You understand the side in the Kaizer Chiefs. Ajoine ukwenyika as well babe 3. Nalo mfana lo Nkosiphile Ngcobo babe 4. I think inside like right, I think the game plan from a training. Begin on the bebaning on with so sacrifice. We're going to play it with 3 at the back. And when Solomon, I'm not too sure who to coach Begam Chele Vele, then Tainzile, because instruction from the coach. Komba Minengozi, Uliapo Bigmelang in a party. Solomon Ahlale from the line on the line. Yeah. But it was versa. Ulepo coming from the line, Ulepo Solomon joining on the box with the number. Well done to Chiefs. I think first half they've created so many chances. Goalkeeper first half, man of the match for me. But created a chance because of they dominated the game. They had so many ball possession, but effective. Melesbaka I credit Chiefs. Though this team is not a bad team, they've got a proper structure. The team there, but the structure is great. Technical, not bad. For me, they play better away compared to last game. They played home. I know they won a car, but they I think they were physical, aggressive. Speaking, I'm a winger. And also the striker, this is score really. Today, I'm going to a false 9. I think he aimed to the coach with playing away, so keep your position. You're going to frustrate Kaizer Chiefs. And Brazilian el coach
Yeah, favorite nation.
Yeah. They are born for this. They are
there
born
was
for
no
this.
Brazilian.
It's a calling, yeah. So technically very good. Well done to the team. I think who kept it, but not much chances in Kulmanga first half. How many shots on target? Never went behind the defensive Chiefs in Kulmanga first half. Chiefs, I think, is side 31. Big Mailing Abe, Opule Moditit, Nae, we were compliment to Clean Lilepo. Over side like in your modi, not functioning. Young Bonilo Cross, I think, cross, I'm a wing back with Chiefs, especially side like left in now, which was sitting first half. Party, Miguel, bigger push Amela center. Because these guys, they didn't have a number. I think but him about analyze Babonil with this Luabanyaband, man, and Kulmanga coach. We playing home, we know this team. Same as Babodas Kulmanga first leg, in Joby Batala away, Angola. Bestalanga too defensive for nothing. Because this team centrally, in Kulmanga direct, they hardly go direct, they go sideways. I'm a wing, I'm a wing. Yeah, I'm a wing pegwabo, in Kulmanga 4, he peg 4 yabiyama. About learning among these guys. So it chiefs the analysis here, but I think I'm an analyst to have well done. Well done to this guy, Peterson, for saving a penalty. You understand? Though I believe Gububambe true, but I believe they ain't being a power. Now we save it, especially Lega Silva. Well done to power behind the ball. Good penalties from Kaizer Chiefs. Second half, Chiefs not much. I need to be honest. The team even have a chance. Good luck. Second half, one of my teams is why this team. Not a bad team. Jobangisho the structures properly. You can tell Jobangisho coach are smart. Tactically changes in terms of good buffering delay game and Bombona la Masape Gawaians and in Balandu Reverie.
It seems like they wanted to play his penalty.
Yeah, they came here. I think the aim give a with a solid draw. I don't think ukuthi beba this thing with Chiefs will score. But well done the Chiefs the way they started from the first whistle, show agency. They showed the current, they show agency Chiefs. Second half, first half I'll give it to Chiefs. Second half not much. Game it's a game of 2 halves. 45 minutes but 2 halves because they opened second half. The team they started ukuthi press, push more players up front. Ngikhuluma front three abiyahlala. They never track backwards and yeah. Taking chance, ukuthatha ama-shot from goalkeeper. Well done to goalkeeper Chiefs. Kunelinye ibhola lisavile, kunelinye futhi ele-deflection. I-two center back uKwinika noMikela, I don't know what happened there. Why allow ibhola libambe, i-two? Because supposed to have a combination lapha, communication, I mean to say. Now communicate and then clear le bhola one. So yeah, it deserve ukuthi game iphele ngo-1-0. I Chiefs, especially after Chiefs missing the kahle mina Shane, I will be honest. If we can be realistic, Chiefs will mainly win a game. A game meaning first half.
First half.
I'm not talking about first half. Second half.
Even second half,
Yeah.
there was a chance from Umdu to Silva. Where it's just
Two chances to save.
Yeah, there was also last second
minute.
kick. Yeah.
Utrepelana.
Eish.
Utrepelana, my brother.
One of those games. But for Ikaida Chiefs fans, I think the only thing they can draw from this game, despite the fact that they are through to the second round, I think performance-wise, they were better. Would you say they were better than the previous game? I think performance of Namhlanje was better, especially first half.
A question mark kuthiwa uqala uSereno ngaphandle and playing uMudi for me. Umqala kanjani uSereno ngaphandle and play Mudi? For me uMdube kumele ayika left uSereno adlala number 10. Yabona uMdu need to show a character. He need to have a strong character mfana. Ayikubugwala uMdu man. Ayikubugwala if you are given a chance. Sekadlala amagame amaningi. Play according to your strengths akho boy. 1v1 shy 1-2 if you can't take somebody on. Assist. Create kune bhola assist khona le one touch ayishayile yahlala kuSilva. Into esifuna kuMdu. No way you want to play before receive ibhola. Well done to Mdu, I think ngale pass sifuna consistency. Yabona lo mfana Nkosi Mphile Ngcobo kune pass ayishayile first half. The boy sicena naye veze le nto le ayishaya uGlidden. Le pulley window difference between pass. Well done, good run futhi. I think cut ground uLepo and umbonile umfana lapha vision and bekumele ngabe ukoridi la. Well done to the goalkeeper. Bina bengibelieve ukuthi uLepo uzoya ku far post. But well done. So sifuna ubona more man. I think uye lo mfana lo Nkosi Mphile noMdu they need to have a strong character. Ama-player buya ku-development lawa, they need to have a strong character. Badlala ku-Chiefs, they are no longer kids. They are equal as senior players. It's just that of your respect. But on the field, sonke salingana. So the guys, labafana laba, they need to show on the field who doesn't. We are senior players because seven is Katila.
From what you've seen, Wena Junior, from Ikaida Chiefs since this season in Galile, and also from the first leg where first preliminary round up until late game in Namhlanje. From what you've seen, Ikaida Chiefs, how far do you think they can go to the CAF Confederations Cup this season?
It's going to be difficult. The way they won today, it's penalties. The way game, I believe, will be a chance.
Yeah.
They're going to meet different opponents, remember? And it's all mine away. Yeah, it's going to be tricky there. So, but this is about the tournament. I think these players, including senior players, which is, it's about the tournament because of it build a character. It builds a strong mentality. It's not all about talent. You need to balance it, the character and the talent. Sometimes you play bad, you win these games, especially Africa. So we can't expect you to do that. But it's about in terms of building a character. Mina going forward in Jobusho, it's going to be difficult. It's not good. They might surprise us, but it's going to be difficult. Meet a different opponent. Remember, Nabo. Compliment for them. Goodbye win la especially Zandla. It was not easy. And badlala nama opponent abangajwayela ukudlala nabo. We talk about people that are not from South Africa. So very physical. They've got good coach in their team. Not much I'm a player natural with a gift of talent, but we are born about coaching. And when I'm a player, technically very good. They've got two wingers that are very clever. We want to cut in coming from the on the right to the left. Very special player there. And they've got midfielders that are very clever, keeping the ball, very comfortable as well. Though they don't go central, but believe good, Yonki go late, wide. So i-Chiefs ukuphendula kimi.
Yeah.
It's gonna be it's not gonna be easy. Yes, they can surprise people, but it's not gonna be easy going forward.
Junior, last time they played continental football, they went all the way to the final. Remember?
Yeah,
when
Champions
they,
League.
Champions League. Now they're playing a CAF Confederations Cup. You don't see them doing an extra but okay, this season we are sidlula ngapha kwe-finishing line.
Opinion yami mina she.
I know.
Yeah,
That's why I'm asking you. I know.
ngithi,
Yeah.
I'm not saying it's not gonna happen.
Yes.
It's football, lento.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
football. But on my opinion, based on what I'm seeing,
Yeah.
they lack a consistency. Lento ibona today might not sing next week. And keep on changing starting 11. Ungabona buya lentwana makhathi ku center back next week. And ucele starting on the bench. Angisi ukuthi ucele never shoot the Chiefs. Naye.
Yeah.
But compared to ukuthi kuze qale yena umthetho arara qale ngiqale ngaye mina ucele. And it's about consistent and players which is they don't have a strong character. Honestly, I need to be honest, especially Amateka. And la at the back as well, they've never been tested into this game. Basazo test machine. I'm not saying that they could against but me on my opinion.
Junior, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your analysis. Let's say FNB Stadium namhlanje where Kaizer Chiefs won 1-0 reverse fixture first leg last week. Now Kaizer Chiefs are through to his second preliminary round. We will have to find out ukuthi bazofface abana before baya group stages. That's if baya group stages, it's all up to them. Kaizer Chiefs, they've shown namhlanje ukuthi they have la mentality ukuthi they can win some of the toughest game. They showed us also during COVID 2020-2021 season. Remember when they finished second CAF Champions League losing to Al Ahly. Yeah. So at least
I think in 2020.
Yeah, 2020-2021 season. Yeah. But thank you so much for watching Diski TV.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.